Hello and welcome. Here's a bonus Subway video. Earlier had the hot honey pepperoni, and I also got what is this called? It's chicken cheese dipper. Comes in this little gift wrap package on the back. Foot long snack. Now this is not foot long, but this is grilled chicken, American cheese, honey mustard on the side, and that's what it looks like. Cross section, and let's unwrap one of these, and if I can. This is disaster. Alright, I'm just going to slice it lengthwise and go in for a close-up. Alright, there's the cross-section. Lengthwise cross-section. Honey mustard. Cross-section. So you saw the cross-section. It's white chicken. And I'm assuming white American in there. I guess I should take a bite without the mustard. Why does this exist? I do taste chicken, and this is very chewy. Let's dip honey mustard. Honey mustard is the best part of this. It actually has a nice little flair to it. I like that. Probably gonna pour that on the other half of my hot honey pepperoni sub. But the receipt says $3.78 for 2 of these, and it's just chicken and there has to be cheese in here. Yeah, I see a little bit of cheese. Toasted up in this lavish wrap. Not good. This will give you sustenance. Skip this. 1 out of 10. I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.